Fix imm32.dll missing or not found in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Solution 1. Fix corrupted system files. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. Solution 2. Copy the imm32.dll file from another system. Solution 3. Perform a malware scan. It is possible that a malware infection may be the cause of imm32.dll missing or not found in Windows. It is important to run a comprehensive security scan to rule out this possibility and ensure that the computer is not infected. Solution 4. Use System Restore. System Restore is a feature in Microsoft Windows that allows users to revert their computer's state to a previous point in time. This can be helpful if you have made changes to your system that are causing problems. Solution 5. Reset Windows. If none of the previous solutions resolve the issue, consider resetting Windows. Keep in mind that this is a time-consuming process, as the Windows reset will remove all your apps and require reinstallation.